Got an appointment tomorrow. I pretty much had to go to storage.
Hi. Hi. Say Trisha. Say Trisha. Say. Hey. Say Trisha. Say Trisha. Say it slowly. Say Trisha. You say Trisha?
Trisha?
Who are you talking to on the phone? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to on the phone? Trisha? Yeah, you got another phone in your hand too, huh? You got one to your ear and one dialing out?
Trisha?
I already stopped just then.
Oh!